Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The Best Girls That Invest book is probably one of the most empowering and accessible resources available for women looking to take control of their financial future, offering a refreshing and jargon-free approach to investing that demystifies complex financial concepts and encourages proactive wealth-building strategies, making it an indispensable guide for anyone seeking to navigate the world of finance with confidence and clarity. Number 5. The Psychology of Money. Discover timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness. This book explores the fascinating relationship between our minds and our money. Learn how your psychology impacts your financial decisions. It delves into the behaviors that lead to financial success or failure. Gain insights that stand the test of time. Understand the subtle yet powerful forces that shape our financial lives. This guide offers practical wisdom for managing your finances effectively. It's about understanding yourself to achieve lasting wealth. Explore the essential principles of financial success. It's a journey into the mindset that truly matters for building wealth and happiness. What we like. This book offers timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness. It focuses on the psychological aspects of financial success. If you are looking for a deeper understanding of your relationship with money and how to build lasting wealth through behavioral change, this is the book for you. What people say. The book has a lot of good examples, data, and fun facts to get the point across to the readers. The chapter titles are attention grabbers that get our attention so that we can read more. Good investing is not about getting the highest returns. It's about getting good returns that you can stick with and which can be repeated for the longest period of time. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money is not your typical finance book. It's an insightful and profound exploration of how human behavior, rather than cold hard numbers, often determines financial success or failure. Number 4. Orzly Hornet RXH 20 Abyss Edition Gaming Headset. Experience unparalleled audio fidelity with our latest gaming headset. Designed for PC and major gaming consoles, it delivers crystal clear sound for every adventure. Enjoy a stable, lag-free connection for uninterrupted gameplay on your laptop, PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. This wired headset ensures you're always in sync with the action. Dive deep into the game with rich stereo sound, featuring powerful bass and crisp highs. Hear every detail, from subtle footsteps to explosive action. Designed with soft, plush ear pads, this headset provides exceptional comfort for even the longest gaming marathons. You can play for hours without fatigue. Coordinate with your team effortlessly thanks to the noise-canceling microphone. It folds away neatly when not in use, and convenient cord controls let you adjust volume easily. Featuring a versatile 3.5mm audio jack, it connects seamlessly to a wide range of devices. This ensures compatibility across your favorite gaming platforms. Available in a variety of colors, this headset is a stylish addition to your gaming setup. It's crafted by Orzly, a leader in PC gaming accessories. What we like. Experience deep bass and crisp highs with immersive stereo sound. The noise-canceling microphone ensures clear communication during intense gaming sessions. If you are a gamer seeking a comfortable headset that enhances your in-game audio and communication, this is an excellent choice for PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. What people say. This book is a great introduction to investing for women. It breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. The book provides practical tips and actionable advice that readers can implement immediately. Number 3. Floral Butterflies Inspirational Wall Art Poster. Transform your home with this beautiful wall art. It's designed to bring a positive and uplifting atmosphere to any room. Featuring a unique floral and butterfly design, this piece adds a touch of elegance. It's a perfect way to express your personal style. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes a wonderful present for women and girls, offering encouragement for any occasion. Enhance your bedroom, living room, office, or any space with this versatile artwork. It complements various decor styles beautifully. This is a high-quality 8x10 unframed print, ready for you to frame as you please. It's not a canvas or tin sign, ensuring a classic look. With a wide variety of styles available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your aesthetic. Explore options from boho to modern and more. What we like. Add a touch of positivity and encouragement to any space with this unique wall art. Featuring floral butterflies and inspirational quotes, it's designed to uplift. If you're looking for a thoughtful and aesthetically pleasing gift for women, girls, or teens, or simply want to brighten up your bedroom or office, this poster is a perfect fit. What people say. This book is a great introduction to investing for beginners. The author explains complex financial concepts in a simple and easy-to-understand way. It covers a wide range of topics, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. Number 2. Attitude is your superpower. Discover the incredible power that lies within you. Learn how to harness your attitude to create the life you've always dreamed of. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you possess. It's the driving force behind every achievement and the secret to unlocking lasting success. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about fundamentally changing your perspective. Embrace a positive outlook and watch your world transform. Move beyond temporary fixes and build a foundation for enduring success. Your attitude is the catalyst for truly life-changing results. It's time to unleash your inner strength and create the extraordinary life you deserve. Your attitude is your ultimate superpower. What we like. Discover how to cultivate an unstoppable attitude for life-changing success. This book provides actionable strategies to transform your outlook. If you believe that your mindset is the key to achieving your goals and you're ready to create a more incredible and fulfilling life, this guide is essential. What people say. Easily digestible with great examples to teach the points made in the book. The author provides a straightforward way to examine how your attitude influences your success. Attitude is Your Superpower is one of its kind books that teaches us step by step how we can actually make an impact with our work without being rude, mean, or competitive with others. Number 1. Not Common Sense 30-Day Personal Finance Crash Course. Are you a college student or young adult looking to take control of your finances? This course is designed to help you understand personal finance in just 30 days. Discover effective strategies for managing your money and saving quickly. We'll guide you through practical steps to build a healthier financial future. Feeling overwhelmed by debt? Learn proven methods to pay off what you owe efficiently. Take the first step towards financial freedom. Curious about the stock market but don't know where to start? This course will introduce you to the basics of investing, setting you up for long-term growth. It's time to stop stressing about money and start building wealth. Join us for a comprehensive crash course that will transform your financial life. What we like. This is a 30-day crash course designed specifically for college students and young adults. It covers managing money, saving fast, paying off debt, and investing. If you're a young adult or college student looking for a straightforward, actionable plan to get your finances in order and build a strong financial future, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. Amin covers basic personal finance terminology and topics such as credit cards, all very good starting points for a younger audience just starting their financial journey, so to speak. She also discusses lesser popular but equally important topics such as debt and investing in stocks, all with the end goal for readers to be financially secure and free. They'll learn about budgeting, spending plans, saving, health insurance, car buying, and emergency funds. Author Amina Amin provides helpful information about having second sources of income. She gives excellent guidance. And this book provides easy-to-understand basic information about the power of investing young. The author took their time to expand on important terms, like what a copay is or what different kinds of debt are. It also covers basics for both the US and UK, so if you live in either area, this book can be very helpful to you for more complex topics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.